Hi everyone, my name is Bagas Putra. I'm from 12 Science 1. Now I'm gonna show you how to use wireless earphones. So without any further ado, let's just start into the video. The things that you have to prepare is your wireless earphone and your device. And for the device, I'm going to use my phone. You can use a laptop, computer, or any device that has a Bluetooth connection. And now let's just move on to how to connect the wireless earphone. First of all, hold your wireless earphone near your phone. Open the case of the AirPods and wait for a second until the AirPods connected to your phone. And now, let's just click the connect button and then press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. Yay! The AirPod is connected. Now you just need to click skip, or if you wanna rate it, you can rate it, but if you want, you can just click skip. And the last step is, put your earphones in both your ears. And now the wireless earphones are ready to use. Now you can listen to the music, the movie, or the podcast without any cable. So simple and easy, right? Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Bye. Wireless earphones make everything simpler. The small size make the wireless earphones easy to carry everywhere. Now you don't have to bother carrying earphones with cable like to make a mess. Now the experience of listening to something with wireless earphones is also better because there are many features that you can try. And most importantly, now you can listen to anything, anywhere, anytime without any hassle. Thanks for watching.
Tell me everything about you. Go